Hey y'all, this is Meso. Welcome to my kitchen today, where I'm going to be preparing something that is absolutely scrumptious for you. Look at this rock Cornish hen. I got three of them here, and I am going to be making something really wonderful with these. Here I got some other ingredients, got a little rice, a little egg, some apple, and some golden raisins, and some regular raisins. I also have these are the three beautiful little old girls that I'm going to cook, the Cornish hens. I have some salt, and these are nice. These are cranberries and candied pecans. They're at Walmart. You can get them if you like. If you don't have them, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. We can do without them. And these are just my onion, garlics, and paprika and that kind of stuff that I'm going to be using on it. And so let's go ahead and get started. Now I have already prepared my rice. It's already cooked. And I'm just going to push it aside. Got this egg, and I'm going to go ahead and beat this egg. Once I've gotten it beaten, I'm going to add the egg to the rice. But before I do that, let me get my other spices and ingredients in. I'm going to put in a little bit of nutmeg, not a lot. And I am going to put in black pepper. So now don't worry about the amounts or the ingredients. I want you to just enjoy this video because I am going to put a link in the description box, and that link is going to take you straight to my website where you'll be able to print the recipe off. It'll give you all the ingredients, give you everything you need. You can print it off for free. Don't cost you a dime. While you're over there, you can look at many more great recipes and print them off too. And they're also free. While you're there, I got some merchandise I bet you can take a look at and just have a ball when you go over to my website. It's a lot of fun over there. So these right here, don't worry about trying to write this down. So I've already put my spices in. I'm coming back with my apples. And then these are black beans. I'm going to put some black beans in here. Not a whole lot of black beans. Now I'm going to get my raisins in. And these cranberry candied pecans. Cranberries and candied pecans. If you don't have that, just use some pecans in here. Just a little bit of pecans. Okay. Now I'm finally getting that egg in that I beat a while back. So I'm going to just mix this up. Now what this is, guys, this is the stuffing for my Cornish hens. I don't stuff turkeys and things like that. They're too big. And I don't want the health hazard. But when you got these little sweet little Cornish hens, you can just go ahead and stuff these little things because they're not going to be in the oven that long. And they're not so big. So they don't carry the health hazard with them. So now I'm getting right to these Cornish hens. Look at them. Can't you tell that they're just dames in waiting, honey? They're girls just waiting to be dressed up here. So I'm putting some paprika on them. Gonna give them a little color. And then I'm putting garlic and the other spices I'm putting on them are gonna give them a beautiful taste. Oh yeah. We're gonna get these girls all dolled up. For what? For the big dinner, the big engagement. They are betrothed to me and my family. Okay, so look, let me stop being silly and go ahead with this video. So, guys, you go ahead. A lot of times you can make this. You can make this for a holiday if you don't have a lot of people. It's just you and your partner, or it's just you by yourself, or you and your child. You can make these Cornish hens. Now, I will tell you, they used to be very inexpensive. Now, in the day of inflation, when 2022, when nothing is inexpensive, these guys cost a good little bit. They are. I paid about maybe $4.50 for each one of these, and you used to get a Cornish hen maybe for a long time ago, maybe even like $1.87. But a little bit after that, you still could always get one for about $2.50. So they cost a little bit more now. So there's Ava. She's always around to help me. She's putting a little salt and a little garlic inside these Cornish hens. But, you can't, it's fine. You can't get too much garlic for me. Now, maybe some of you don't like garlic. If you don't, just leave it right on out. I have this pretty little dish that I just put butter all into. But now, before I can put these hens in there, I got to do something else to them. You remember that mixture that we just made up with the apples and the raisins and the rice and all of that? Okay, so we're going to get this inside of the Cornish hens. Oh man, how sweet it is. Isn't it pretty? Try to break that rice down off of it if you can. Oh man. Now we don't want to just pack them tight. We want them yeah, kind of medium, relatively loosely packed. And the reason I don't want to pack them too tight is because I don't want my vegetables to get, to overcook or to get too hot in there and cook too long. So just get it in. Don't pack it too tight. I'm excited because I know this is going to be good. And I haven't made Cornish hens in quite a while. Just getting it all in. I'm just waiting on that taste of the dressing. It's going to be it's going to be savory, but it's also going to be a little sweet from the raisins and the apples. It's just going to be good, honey. It's going to be good. Meso's making it, it's going to be good. Okay, we're going to get this into a preheated 350-degree oven and let it cook for about 45 minutes. And this is what we have on the other side, honey. After we get it out, look at here, look at here. Ooh, and it smells so divine. Smells good. Yeah. Ooh, look at these. All right. We're going to go ahead and take these out and plate them up. And look at Miss Cookie. Oh, my God. Look at this. So good. It smells so good. And these little hens are cooked perfectly. They're cooked perfectly. Look at that, y'all. It's just glistening and gleaming. This little hen is just saying, look at me, look at me. Oh, now look how that little leg pulls off with the thigh. So I didn't mean for that to happen, but this is how tender it is. And what I like, what I like, it is tender, but it's still crunchy and it is still crispy, I should say, on the outside. Look at that little leg. Oh, it makes just the perfect mouthful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is so good. Ooh, this tastes so good. Guys. God help me. God help me with these Cornish hens. I know I can just taste it all in there. These are almost, they're so good. The flavor is so good. You got to make this, guys. You got to make this and you got to stuff it. You could actually change your stuffing up a little bit. You could put, different things in it if you'd like. This is good. You can go just like this is and you will not go wrong. Look at that. Look at that stuffing. You could put a bread stuffing in if you wanted to. You see here, we didn't use any bread, but you could put a bread stuffing in. So good. Yep, this is a blessed plate right here. I can tell it is so good. Cranberry sauce. Yeah, I'm using the canned cranberry sauce. A lot of times I make it at holiday times, but I didn't make it today. I used my can. And here's this asparagus. I need a little bit more of that sweet asparagus. I'm sorry, sweet cranberry sauce with my asparagus. Look at this little wing. Oh man. Oh man, this is just a little wing tip in the. I need to quit, but I'm going to just show you one more little thing, and I promise you, I'm going to stop and I'm going to let you go and cook your Cornish hens. But I just want to show you something. Look at that. Look at that little bitty breast meat. See, this one is perfect for one person. Maybe a child could split one in half. But look at that. Oh, the skin is perfect. It's magnificent. Look. Hey, bring it back in camera. Oh, yeah. It's moist. That's what I want to show you. It is moist. Even though it's crispy, it's not dried out. It's so moist and good. Y'all got to do this. Do it for yourself. Do it for your hubby, your partner. Just do it. Look at that. Look at that on the backside, that brown. Oh, yeah. Hey, guys, I want to thank you for coming by, checking on me today. You want to know what I was doing. Now, you knew that I'd be throwing down, and I hope that I did not disappoint. Yeah, for ones of you that are already subscribed to me, I want to express my appreciation. I thank you, thank you. If you're not subscribed, why not? If you are not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button and then hit the notification bell. Two parentheses come around that bell, and those parentheses mean that you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. Give me a thumbs up. That helps me in the algorithm. It helps to move me forward, and I am trying to grow my channel, guys, and I appreciate you. Now, there are tons of people on the internet, thousands of them that are really good cooks, really showing some good food, and you have many that you could watch. But I am so appreciative of you that come and watch me and spend a little time with me. I thank you so much. I appreciate you. And you know what? Take care of yourself, love yourself, just like I love you. And when you love yourself, you're better able to love somebody else. You're your best person. Do that. Keep a good check on your mental health also. And guys, you know how to share your love with other people. Just a way to get started. Share your food. Share your love by sharing your food. That's what I come on here every day to do, is share these great, wonderful, a lot of times vintage recipes that have been in my family for years. I share them with you guys. I do. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you next time. Until then, bye-bye.